A very important question from your circulatory system, human physiology, often asked with your NEET examination, and that is the blood flow sequence in human hearts. Now, one of the very important mnemonic that you can remember here is very clever rabbits always run very fast and like playing violins loudly and long voyages away. Now, remember the bold word that you can see here, right? So, we begin with our mnemonic with the very first section, that is VC, that is vena cava. From the vena cava, the blood goes to RA, that is right atrium. From the right atrium, it would go to right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it would go to PA, that is pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, it would go to L for lungs, right? Now, back from the lungs. So, PV, that is the pulmonary vein. Now, note, it is vein, but it carries pure blood, right? So, V is the vein which carries the pure blood coming to the heart, right? So, vein and artery, again the difference is not which is pure, which is impure, but what takes the blood towards the heart and away from the heart. Very, very important. We have discussed that in the previous lectures, so refer that. The next is LA and then LV, right? So, LA is left atrium, then left ventricle, and finally aorta, right? So that is how the blood flow goes. Very, very important mnemonic, very, very easy to learn, and once you memorize that, there is no reason you would get confused close to examination. Of course, this is one of the very important sections and a very scoring section in your NEET. So circulatory system, a lot of questions are being asked. Prepare well, practice well, and for more information and complete video course, refer the details here. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day ahead.